In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code in your Shopify billing portal using your merchant dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Premium Merchant Dashboard Hub area for the Zephyr channel. Make sure you're in the correct dashboard section before moving on, since this is where the current promotional offers are typically managed and updated. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place can help avoid using an outdated or incorrect code later in the process. Once you're inside the dashboard hub, find the promotions sheet and look for the latest active 2026 discount or trial extension code. Be sure to copy the most recent code that is clearly marked as active. This matters because promotional codes can expire or be replaced, and using the latest valid option gives you the best chance of having it apply successfully. When you copy the code, try to copy it exactly as shown, without adding extra spaces before or after it, since even a small formatting issue can sometimes cause the code to be rejected. After that, return to your Shopify account registration billing portal tab. If you already had it open in another tab, just switch back to it in Chrome. If needed, give yourself a second to confirm that you're on the billing area of the correct Shopify account before continuing. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one store or have multiple tabs open at the same time. Now locate the discount code field in the billing portal, click into that box, paste in the promo code you copied from the promotion sheet, and then select apply. Once you do that, wait briefly for the page to process the code. If the code is valid and active, the billing details should update to reflect the discount or trial extension associated with that promotion. As a helpful tip, if the code doesn't apply right away, first check that the code was pasted exactly as it appeared on the promotion sheet. A quick recopy and paste can often resolve simple issues caused by missing characters or accidental spaces. Also, make sure you copy the latest active 2026 offer rather than an older listing. That's it. By accessing the merchant dashboard in Chrome, copying the current active promotional code, returning to your Shopify billing portal, and applying it in the discount code field, you can complete the process quickly and accurately.